In this video, we're going over how you can fix your PS5 shutting down, restarting, or crashing, especially when it happens randomly. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. But if your PS5 keeps shutting down, restarting, or your games keep crashing randomly, don't panic, because most of these problems can actually be fixed with a few tweaks in your settings and some basic maintenance. The first thing that you're going to want to do is from your PS5 home screen, actually go up to the top and go to settings. From here, go ahead and find your users and accounts and go ahead and select the other option and then hit restore licenses. Click it just like so, and then it's going to find a bunch of different games within here. Just choose the games that you usually play, especially the ones that you keep encountering those crashes on, and then select restore down at the very bottom. This is going to reset the licenses so that the system can access them properly during gameplay. If that still doesn't fix the issue, go ahead and turn off your PS5 completely, and then press and hold the power button on your PS5 console for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. This is going to open up safe mode, and from here, go ahead and select the rebuild database option and let the process finish. This is going to remove bugs, glitches, and firmware issues that your PS5 might be having. And while you're in here, I also recommend clearing the system cache just to free up space and improve performance. Another thing that you can manually do if you're still having issues on your PS5 is actually remove these side panels of your PS5. This actually doesn't break the PS5, and these are meant to be cleaned out. Just simply use a vacuum or a soft cloth to remove dust from the fan area. Just make sure that you avoid blowing dust inwards, just because this can make the buildup worse. A clean fan keeps your console cool and prevents overheating and shutdowns. After you've done all these steps, your PS5 should run smoother, stay on without random restarts, and your games will be far less likely to crash. If this video does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.